Hi guys, thank you so much for joining Holiday Angel online class with me, Olga Furman. I'm very happy to see you guys here, and this is our first lesson. On this lesson, I want to show to you how I draw the shape of the angel and where did I get the idea. So let's start from the idea. The idea came up from Russian nesting doll. Russian nesting doll has very simple shape. It's folk art. It's made from wood, and it's 3D, as you can see. But we're going to cut out shape similar to matryoshka shape from the cardboard. Or if you don't want to cut out the shape, you really can just paint it on the canvas or wood or whatever substrate you have. So why I like it? Because the shape is simple, it's nothing fancy here, it's a simple project and it's very enjoyable. And it looks great as decoration, especially for holidays. I made a list of the things I hoarded during the year, and I have for example, I have a cardboard, whatever I was buying during the year, I wouldn't get rid of cardboard. I was saving it, especially big boxes. I have some dollies, I have old keys, and I also wrote down what I want to include in this project, like things like star or heart or chicken or windows, probably houses with windows, with birds. And I want to make face with collage, just to cut out face, probably combine it with other face to make it more interesting. And but by all means, if you would like to paint face, you're welcome to paint it. I also would like to include some landscape, probably. Well, we will see. So I also made little sketches of how angel could look like. So I had this soulful, more like matryoshka style angel, and I have another one like a princess, and I have even this very little baby angel. So yeah, the sky is the limit what we can do. Now let me show to you how to draw the body. So I was practicing before this lesson, so I can explain to it better. So what the body of matryoshka reminds me when we transfer it to paper. It's kind of like upside down letter U, right? So to make the letter U symmetrical, I'm going to make a line down, and then I'm simply going to make this letter U, which is a little bit wider on the bottom. I'm trying to do it as much as possible symmetrical. Not always easy to make. So that's going to be the body, and here is going to be the face. So as simple as that. Also, when you look at matryoshka, you can see that it has some shape around the neck, that it's not completely straight. So I wanted to do it also for my angel. So I'm going to shape it over here and back to letter U. So just like that, and back here again. Now if you like the body longer, you can always make it longer. If you want to change a little bit shape of her dress, you can also do it. You can make it, for example, a little bit wider on the bottom, just right here. So that's also possibility. What I also like to do, it's probably to tilt your head a little bit. So for the tilted head, I'm actually going to start exactly the same. You can do this line in the middle if it helps, or don't do the line. You can just trust your eye. And well, that's, you can make the face tilted on one side. And then once again, we're going to adjust it for the neck. And that's it. I had a pretty big piece of the cardboard, 34 inches by 17 inches, and I sketched this Matryoshka doll on this piece of the cardboard. I used charcoal for sketching because it's easy to erase. For the face, we are going to use cutout from magazine, unless you want to paint the face yourself. So depends what you're gonna do. In my case, I'm using the cutout, so I just forgot that I'm using the cutout. That's why I sketched the proportions, but really you don't need to do that if you're going to glue a face from a magazine over. I used a box cutter to cut out the shape. My cardboard was a corrugated cardboard, and when I looked from the side I could see the holes and I didn't like it, so I decided to put over masking tape. I also taped masking tape on the back of the cardboard so it will look more neat. I sealed cardboard with chalk paint, but you can use any craft paint as your primer. After I painted with this chalk paint all over, I left it to dry before next step.